Pop On Veneers has given me my smile back. And thanks to their affordable financing, you can get it rolling with just $100. And they gets the impressions on their way to you. They give you 3 impression kits so that way you don't mess up. They show you a video with a tutorial on how to be able to do your molding. And it molds for your teeth, so they have a digital scan that they have on file. It's very professional. See, look how this looks real, right? Well, check this out. It's given me my confidence back having Pop On Veneers until I'm able to afford implants. They're very expensive. So having the option of aesthetically smiling and not feeling self-conscious is a wonderful thing, especially when you can afford it too. And if you ever have a friend that would be interested as well, they have a referral program. So just know that you'll be able to get incentives. This place is legit. Pop On Veneers, thank you so much. You've given me my smile back. Thank you.